What up guys, welcome back to our channel. Right now we are in the office working on some stuff. My hubby's right there. What up, hubby?
Yeah, all my stuff fell.
What? Anyways, today's gonna be really fun. We are celebrating my sister-in-law's birthday, which is Orcino's sister, obviously, duh. Anyways, but we're gonna go to the beach, we're gonna go to Dave & Buster's, we're gonna go eat, we're gonna have some fun, and yeah, it's just gonna be a really fun day. But as of right now, we gotta get some work done before we do any of that stuff. So time to go to work. Oh, babe, show everyone the sticker packet. Closer.
Here's one of them.
These sticker packs. And then show them the pins.
And then pens.
Closer, closer.
Got pens.
Yup.
Kind of hard to see from the angle. And then also got these cool looking keychains. Oh, I can't really see it.
You can't?
No.
You gotta do this. No.
Oh, like what the makeup gurus
Yes.
do. So
There.
But it's backwards, but it says money suck on it.
Anyways, we got a little mini fridge. I'm gonna show you guys what we got, like, inside the fridge. It's kind of dark. Hold on. You guys are gonna be shooked, dude. Here's our little mini fridge. We gotta get like a stand so that we could put the fridge on top of it, so it's like a little bit higher, but this is it. Bam. We have no food in here right now, but we got a whole bunch of drinks, and I'm gonna show you guys what we got. We got Sprite. We got, oh my god, it's so small. Wait, hold on. And we got Fanta. And what flavor is this? This is strawberry Fanta. Bomb. Oh my god, there's too much stuff in here. Hold on. Red Bull for Orcino, even though I told him not to drink too much of this. Then we got Kool-Aid. Then we got the blue flavored Kool-Aid, which I don't know what flavor that is. Then we got Starbucks Frappuccinos. Then we have Orcino's Arizona, and then another Arizona here. And then we got the Yoo-hoo chocolate milk. Well, it's not really a chocolate milk, it's just a chocolate drink. And then like Orcino's like yogurt here, but then water, but that's it. Guys, look who we picked up. Go Antho, it's your birthday.
My face.
You guys, guess where we're at?
Tasty ball. You're so.
We were at Tasty. We were at Tasty Bar in Amir Mesa
You
again.
took a shower?
I did.
Last night.
Did it?
Last night.
Because in the morning, now you just got caught in a...
We already know what we want.
I'm gonna get Taiwanese spicy supreme hot. Oh, I'm gonna get very spicy.
Wait, which one are you gonna get? Taiwanese?
Yeah, that's the only one I like.
So I'm gonna get a beef hot soup.
And I'm gonna get the Taiwanese supreme spicy hot
Very
soup.
spicy.
Cheers, thanks for lunch.
Cheers for your birthday.
Cheers for your birthday, happy birthday. I didn't even realize it was your birthday, oh my god. I really thought your birthday was on the 9th. Taiwanese and spicy supreme food.
We got our beef soup. What did we get here? Ooh. And then Yanni got curry. Birthday girl got curry. We made it to the beach. I'm in the truck bed right now, chilling. It's kind of hot, and Anthony and Orcino's fishing. And my sister-in-law and her friends like hanging out at the beach or whatever. But yeah, We were gonna go to Dave & Buster's, but we decided to just have like a bonfire here since it's gonna feel really good later on tonight. And yeah, that's what we're doing. Your girl's just chilling. I'm about to do some work on my laptop. I'm gonna work on a few things and maybe edit like a video or two. And yeah, but the boys are fishing. Boys! Boys! Anto! You guys, it's kind of hot, and this guy in front of me has like a camper van, and it's like freaking sick. You already know your girl needs this. Hot Cheetos. And then we got some Lunchables, pizza, and like the regular cracker, cheese, and stuff. And then we also got rambutan, because you guys already know that's my favorite.
No bites.
Dude, my feet smell like shit.
Right now there's no bites?
Yeah, there's no bites right now.
You have to wait a little bit, huh?
Yeah, I gotta wait till it gets a little darker.
Anthony, you could really choke like that, Anto.
No, I won't.
Yes, you will.
I'm good at swallowing.
Anthony literally almost killed the whole bag. And we will watch. Give us like another 10 minutes. Don't fall, Antho. I can't be losing you.
Say that about me. Tell him because you're ugly. If you got a big dick, let me search it. She's my ride or die, stuck in the street.
Dang, look at that sunshine.
Talking about me, or are you talking about the real sunshine?
She's talking about the real sunshine, not you.
Look at that sunset. Beautiful. Me and Ethel chilling. We are waiting for my little cousin and, well, actually my little cousins. They're gonna bring some wood for us, and we told them to get a little cake. We're trying to start the fire.
Hey, put the paper on the paper. Paper burn.
Put the paper on the paper.
Come on, fire, hurry up and burn wood. Fire. Because the bitch is cold. She's trying to roast her marshmallows. I told you.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Do not burn off your eyebrows.
Put that one on there.
Put it right here. My eyebrows are like, underneath, not on top. Nothing?
Happy birthday to you. Make a wit, make a wit.
Hello po. Kumusta po? Ay, my God. I'm so dark po.
There we go.
Shut up.
Because behind the scenes.
Oh,
behind the
cute.
scenes.
Yeah, wait.
You want me to like angle it? There you go.
Yeah, like that. Ready? What's up, guys? We are in the car now. People don't know. This pimple is definitely not the business right now. But what was I saying? Me and hubby are in the car right now. We just got done coming back from the beach, and we just dropped off Anthony at his casa, and now we are on the way to our hotel room because we're gonna stay there for a night, and we gotta wake up early in the morning to go to the temple and buy groceries for the party on Saturday. I'll see you guys when we get to the hotel.
Where's your camera?
We just got to our room. It's our bed, and we are gonna get ready to sleep because, oh my god, looking like a hot mess. But yeah, so we are gonna get ready for bed now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you guys in our next video.